Hello, beautiful people. I wanted to take a minute and tell you about a really cool thing that doTERRA has for us, for you, called your Refer a Friend link. I'm going to share my screen and tell you all about it. This is my dad's account. I logged in as though I were him because he is a customer. I have a business, he has a customer. This link is for customers. This is for you. And when you log into your account, you're going to have this pop-up window. It's going to say, want free products. What? Well, it's got this link right here that you can actually um, take and copy and make your own. This is my dad's account, so please don't use that number. But if you take this part here, referral.doterra.me slash, and then you put your account number in there, that's your link. This is my dad's account, so don't use his link, but you can click copy link here if you want to. And then you can put that in an email or in a text and be able to send it to anybody, and you'll be able to have them get some wonderful deals on their end, and you'll get some deals on your end. What is this about? Well, you can click no thanks if you're not interested down here, but what if you want to learn more? Click additional details, and it'll have a whole page explaining the whole thing for you. Invite friends, and you're both rewarded. What does it take? 3 easy steps. You share that link. I just showed you how to find it. What if you went out of that page and then you decided, well, gosh, I want that link again. Where do I get it? Up here under account, scroll down and it's right there. Get my link. And guess what? There's that pop-up window again, and you can copy your link again. Okay. You got your link. Share it with your friends. You can share it via text, via email. You could even share it on social media. Hey guys, want to get some free stuff or want to get cheaper than usual or whatever? Share it however you would like. Just make sure that people know that it's connected to your account, and they'll be going, oh, cool. Thank you so much. What happens? What do they get? Well, if they don't have a doTERRA membership, customer account is what I mean when I say membership, then that means that they're right now, if they go to doTERRA.com, they're going to have to pay $35 to get that membership. If they use your link, they get it for free. Pretty cool. Then when they go in with that link and they buy whatever they want, no minimum purchase. They can get a bottle of lavender and that's all. They can spend $500 and that would be fine too. Whatever they want to get, they can get, and they will get it all at the 25% off wholesale prices. They will not be paying retail because what you've done is you've kind of given them the, I don't know, the sneaky door into doTERRA where they don't have to pay to get in. So yeah, they get their customer account without having to pay the $35. What do you get? You get 20% back from their first order in doTERRA dollars. What are doTERRA dollars? That's not loyalty points. doTERRA dollars are in-store credit. That means whatever they purchase, you get 25% off or 20% off of that on your account as a credit. So the next time you go and you place an order, you get that money applied to your next order, and you don't have to pay quite as much because that was an in-store credit for you. So you can do all of that. It's great for your friends if they use the link. There's a great little video here that you can watch when you go onto your own account. You can get your personal link here. This little page explains it all. It shows you also where you can go, other places, and it tells you where you can go here. Guess what? When you go actually click in on your account profile, you can scroll down and it'll have that link there as well. I wonder if that's true. If I go over to account profile, is it there? Let's find out. Oh, look, it's right there. Woo, woo. That's beautiful. Yay. Cool. Well, I am really excited about this. I hope you are too. Super easy, super fun, no minimums for them. Nobody has to sell anything. Nobody has to share anything, but you can buy what you want when you want and get it at your wholesale prices. Fun. And then you get in-store credit. So everybody wins. I hope that's helpful for you. Let me know if you have questions. You can connect with me. And may the Lord bless you and keep you. May he make his face shine upon you and grant you his peace today. Bye.